Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about clearing the app cache and data from different apps that you might be having problems with on your Google Pixel phone. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is swipe up on your home screen and then select the settings button. Select the apps button on this page. And then you want to show all of your apps, so see all of your apps. And then locate the app in question that you want to clear the cache and or data for. And then you want to go down to storage and cache and select it. And you can then select the clear cache button if you want to just clear the cache. Otherwise, you can also clear the storage as well. So just go ahead and select clear cache. And that's pretty much all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.